Myself Mayur, and today's our topic of discussion is identifiers and literals in Java. So identifiers in Java are symbolic names used for identification. They can be a class name, variable name, method name, package name, constant name, and more. However, in Java, there are some reserved words that cannot be used as an identifier. For every identifier, there are some conventions that should be used for declaring them. So there are some rules and convention for declaring identifiers in Java. If the identifiers are not properly declared, we maybe get a compile time error. Following are some rules and conventions for declaring identifiers. A valid identifier must have characters, means A to Z or A to Z lowercase, numbers 0 to 9 and underscore or a dollar sign. For example, Java point is not a valid identifier because it contains a special character which is @. There should not be any space in an identifier. For example, Java T point is an invalid identifier. An identifier should not contain a number of the starting. For example, 1, 2, 3 Java point is an invalid identifier. An identifier should be of length 4 to 15 letters only. However, there is no limit on its length, but it is good to follow the standard conventions. And next is literals in Java. Literals. Any constant value which can be assigned to the variable is called literal or constant. In the simple word, literals in the Java is a synthetic representation of a Boolean number character or string data. It is a medium of expressing a particular values in the program, such as an integer variable named // count is assigned an integer value in the following statement. Integral literals. For integral literals data types such as byte, short, long, int, we can specify literals in 4 ways. Decimal literals. In this form, the allowed digits are 0 to 9. Next is octal literals. In this form, the allowed digits are 0 to 7. Next one is hexadecimal literals. In this form, the allowed digits are 0 to 9 and the characters are A to F. We can use both uppercase and lowercase characters, as we know that the Java is a case sensitive programming language. But here the Java was not case sensitive. Next is binary literals. Binary 1.7 onwards, we can specify literal value even in binary also. Allowed digits are 0 and 1. By default, every literal is in type. We can specify explicitly as a long type of suffixed with I or L. There are no way to specify byte type, short, literals explicitly, but indirectly we can specify it. Okay, thank you.